Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us. In this video, we will talk about feminist criticism. Introduction. Feminist criticism emerged as a distinctive and influential approach to literature in the late 1960s, but its roots can be traced back to the efforts of women over 2 centuries to gain recognition for their cultural contributions and secure social and political rights. It is characterized by a concerted effort to challenge and deconstruct patriarchal norms and biases that have historically dominated Western civilization. This critical approach encompasses a diverse range of perspectives, methodologies, and theories reflecting the urgency and excitement of a vibrant movement seeking social, legal, and cultural freedom and equality for women. Early voices. The early feminist critics such as Virginia Woolf and Simone de Beauvoir paved the way by questioning the marginalization of women in literature and culture. Woolf, in A Room of One's Own, explored the barriers faced by women in achieving their creative potential due to the patriarchal limitations within society. De Beauvoir's The Second Sex critiqued the cultural identification of women as the negative other to man's subject and examined the degrading portrayal of women in male-authored literature. Challenging patriarchy. The heart of feminist criticism lies in its commitment to exposing and challenging the pervasive patriarchal nature of Western civilization. This patriarchal ideology permeates literature, defining women in negative reference to men and relegating them to marginal and subservient roles. The works traditionally regarded as great literature often center on male protagonists, with female characters either complementary or oppositional to male desires and endeavors. The lack of autonomous female role models perpetuates gender bias and reinforces the male-centered worldview. Reshaping literary discourse. Feminist critics explore various approaches to challenge these biases and reshape literary discourse. One significant focus has been on the recovery and promotion of female authors who were previously overlooked or sidelined in the literary canon. Works by women such as Anne French, Elizabeth Barrett Browning, and Kate Chopin have gained recognition and prominence thanks to feminist criticism. Additionally, feminist critics aim to reveal the perpetuation of derogatory stereotypes of women in literature written by men and highlight alternative perspectives and subversive voices in works by women. Moreover, feminist criticism engages in gynocriticism, a framework dedicated to developing a specifically female perspective for analyzing works by women. It seeks to identify themes unique to women's experiences such as domesticity, motherhood, and woman-to-woman relationships and explore the distinct subjectivity and language that shape women's writing. Evolving perspectives. In recent years, feminist critics have also employed post-structuralist theories to challenge the binary conception of gender and dismantle essentialist notions of femininity. These critics emphasize the inherent linguistic instability of gender categories and highlight the diversities within female identities based on factors like race, class, and historical context. Conclusion: by widening the scope of literary analysis and challenging traditional norms, feminist criticism has significantly impacted literary studies and academic instruction. The movement has sparked vibrant debates and continues to inspire critical explorations into the dynamics of gender and power within literature and society. Feminist criticism continues to evolve and expand, incorporating diverse perspectives and voices in the ongoing struggle for gender equality and the transformation of literary discourse. The movement's significance lies in its powerful critique of patriarchy and its lasting impact on literary scholarship and cultural understanding. So this was the discussion on feminist criticism. If you have any doubts or questions, you can ask in the comments section. We will meet in the next video with some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.